Do you also want to know how I got unlimited free dice rolls and money in Monopoly Go? If yes, watch this tutorial until the end to learn how I did it. This works with all Android and iOS devices, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of the game installed. As you can see, I have the latest version of Monopoly Go installed. Next, open your browser. You can use any browser you prefer and navigate to the website lootmod.com. Make sure you type the website URL correctly to avoid any mistakes. Once you're on the site, find Monopoly Go. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function. When you find it, tap on it. As you can see here, by using this site, we will get unlimited dice rolls and money. Now click on this download button next to the game name. The tool will now be going to download Monopoly Go patch in background, and then it will inject the game. Now comes a very important step, verifying your device. I've already completed the verification, so I won't be doing it again. It's very simple. All you need to do is download any 2 or 3 offer and complete them based on the offer requirement. If you need additional help, you can check out the video tutorial on how to complete the verification process. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.